What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Celestia, your daily update. I promised you that I would keep covering Celestia, so here we are. We're going to do an update. We haven't seen that much movement since practically yesterday afternoon. Before that we did get some conclusive, some major movement, so we'll talk about that. We'll do an update on what I said yesterday. Which is still relevant. What I said yesterday is still relevant right now. We're kind of in the middle of one of the scenarios we talked about. So that is what we will talk about again. I'll tell you what I expect. I'll tell you what the current state of the market means for Celestia. But first of all, I wanted to ask your opinion, and that is that I have zoomed in on the chart a little bit more. So now I think you can better see the charts and all of the market structures. But please let me know, all right? Because, I mean, in the end, I can think all I want, but I would like to know it from you. I think this is better to be able to follow the videos, but all right. Let's get right into it. So what we're seeing right now for Celestia, which is a new crypto, it's a great crypto. If you want to know more about that, I also did a review on that. But it doesn't matter. What we're seeing right now is that the open interest and the volume are decreasing a bit. So whereas Celestia had a lot of momentum heading into yesterday morning, now it has lost quite a lot of that momentum, which is not that bad. I mean, you don't expect new cryptos to hold that momentum, but that does mean that in combination with Bitcoin being relatively weak right now, on the short term, obviously if you zoom out it's still very strong, but on the short term we're seeing some bearish pressure from Bitcoin, and that means bad news for Celestia. So yesterday what we already said is that, Celestia you still had this bullish momentum right here with this trend line kind of heading up, and Celestia did find support there, right here. But that what we said then with the arrows I just deleted is that if it's not able to break back above 2.6 and 2.65, it will then it's more of a bearish confirmation, all right? And then you get something like this. So we're really diving into the market structure right now. But then you get a market structure like this, and you get a bearish breakout right here early in the afternoon, and that caused Celestia to fall down. And the price target I had yesterday for Celestia to fall back down to is 2.2 and 2.15. And that is also what I still expect right now. All right, so that's what I expect. You can see that Celestia is kind of in this range right now between 2.45 and 2.15. And it seems most likely, now that we hit the top of that range again, it seems most likely that Celestia will fall down. There's a bit of support at 2.3, 2.27 as well, but I doubt that that's going to be strong enough. So then Celestia falls down to 2.2 and 2.15, which I do expect. I mean, especially, like I said, also with the bearish momentum from Bitcoin. Celestia falls down, and then the main question is can it hold that level? Can it get some sort of a rally from that level? And at this moment, I think it's possible, but I don't expect it. I would actually say it's a bit more likely, and this is a risky thing to say, but I will say it. I actually think it's a bit more likely that Celestia will fall down to that level, and fall down lower towards 2.05 and $2. Like I said, with what we're seeing in the markets right now, with the open interest and the volume decreasing for Celestia, that seems more likely. That seems more likely that that's happening. So that's what I'm going to tell you. All right. Now, I do want to tell you that if for some reason Celestia still right now breaks above 2.45, which is its main resistance level and the top of this range, it is going to be bullish. All right. That is a possibility. I could be wrong, of course. But yeah, like I said, given everything that we're seeing right now in the markets, it just, to me, seems more likely that Celestia will fall back down to the lower bounds of the range at 2.15. And I think it's a bit more, like initially it will hold that level, but I think longer term, it's more likely that it will fall through if we're going to continue to see bearish pressure. But those are my thoughts. That's my update for now. Lastly, I wanted to finish with telling you that if you want more value from me, consider joining my premium groups. All right, I have different stages which you can sign up to. The premium group itself, for just $10 a month, you get a huge amount of value: trading setups, my trading guides, news updates, exclusive videos every week. But I also have my own signals group in which you really gain access to all of my trades. I'm releasing a profitability report today. All right, so they're profitable. So if you just want to make some profits, maybe that's a better option. But if you want to make profits and really learn a lot as well, premium might be better for you. But those are my thoughts. That's the video for now. Full analysis on TIA. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now,